kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. And we are agents of the kingdom. We are part of that kingdom. So that first point to reflect on, I think very, very important to realize that. That's why it's not, as the Lord said, do not keep on running and looking for, oh, the kingdom is coming, the kingdom is there, the kingdom is here. So the kingdom is among us. And then the second point, very much related to this, is that what is the enemy of grace? Or what are the obstacles to grace? What are the enemies of grace? And here now you talk about anxiety and anger. As many psychologists would say, and even spiritual writers would say, anxiety is what prevents us from living in the present moment, because we're always anxious about the future. And remember, grace is always, as Father Calputura would always remind us in the novitiate, grace is always in the present moment. And even Kung Fu Panda said that, that grace is a gift because it is present. It is a present. It is a present moment. And so the other enemy of grace is anger and resentment, because we cannot let go of the past. So these are we might say obstacles to grace and anxiety and enemies of grace that we must ask for the grace to heal. Our anger or resentment because of what has happened in the past, we cannot let go of the past, and our fear of the future and anxiety, and therefore we cannot live in the present moment. Remember what I said yesterday, the mindfulness, so that we will go back to this. And also because of that, if we are not living in the present moment, again, we will not be able to see. We will not be aware of the movement and presence of God's grace and God Himself in our life, the kingdom. And then the third and last point is that